Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with UserTesting, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect with UserTesting, start by visiting the official UserTesting website. Create an account by selecting the sign up option. Fill in the required details, including your name, email address, and password. Check your email for a confirmation link and click on it to verify your account. Once verified, log in to your newly created account. Explore the UserTesting dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. To start a test, locate the Create Test button and click on it. Select the type of test you wish to conduct, such as usability or prototype testing. Define your target audience by specifying key demographics and behaviors. Set your test objectives clearly to guide participants through your tasks. Design the tasks participants will complete during the test, ensuring clarity and relevance. Add any additional instructions or questions for participants to consider. Review all your settings and details before launching the test. Click the Launch Test button to allow UserTesting to recruit participants. Monitor the progress of your test through the dashboard. Once enough responses are gathered, analyze the results carefully. Utilize the insights and feedback to make informed decisions for your project. Continue to refine your connection with UserTesting by engaging in further tests as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.